Experiment 1.
Hello and welcome to our first experiment. Today we have to drop 3 different objects off the back.
Our 3 different objects that we chose to drop were a 50-gram weight, a tennis ball, and a cup from both sides.
Cup number 1.
Cup number 2.
$50-gram weight.
And a tennis ball.
Experiment number 2.
Hello and welcome to experiment number 2. In this experiment we were told to magnetize 2 pins to then follow a compass to point north.
We managed to successfully complete this experiment as we were able to magnetize both pins together to face north. Here are our results.
Alright, next you go.
Yep, it's facing north.
Yay! North and north.
We good?
Yes, done.
Finish!
See how it's coming this way?
Yeah.
The tip of it's see, so now.
Yeah. Like that.
Is this meant to be facing north? So
You haven't even done the leaf yet.
The other way around.
Oh.
Maybe it's because we've got magnets near it.
Yeah, now it's moving.
See, because I'm turning it like
There we
this. Look what I'm turning it.
Wait, do you want to hold it still? No, turn this the other way.
Ah, it's pointing north.
Yeah, it's pointing north. It worked.
So then.
Bear Grylls entry event.
Hi, my name's Bear Grylls. This is us surviving in the wild.
Starting a fire. This causes friction when you're rubbing 2 things against each other.
What is the force of friction? The force of friction is when you rub 2 things together. It could be while wiping a cloth across the table to wipe it clean, or your boots as they skid along the ice or snow. It can even be the air going by the car as you drive down the street. Or it can involve liquids when the boat skirts over the water. Friction can also be something that is rubbing an impact, such as a hammer strikes a nail.
Magnetism.
The way magnetism is produced is when an electron is the only one in the shell, which means that no other electron can cancel out the magnetic field it produces by bobbing up and down. This is then amplified with larger amounts of the material. Materials used to make a compass, used to make a magnetic compass, you will need a metal swinging needle, a magnet, which can be purchased at many hardware stores. A strong magnet will work best. A pair of pliers, a cork or a leaf, scissors for cutting the cork, and you will also need a bowl filled with water.
Compasses.
A compass is a navigational device used to show the user whether they are facing north, east, south, or west. It can be used by itself or with a map to help direct someone to a location or a specific direction. Magnetism plays a very important role in a compass. Inside a compass, there is a tiny magnet that makes the compass point north. This tiny magnet is actually a magnetic pin, which is suspended inside the compass to allow it to spin freely inside its casing. And it also allows it to respond to our planet's magnetism.
The weight of an object is a measure of the force applied on the object by gravity, or by the force needed to support it, and the weight of an object is usually taken to be the force on the object due to gravity.
Interior mass. Interior mass is determined by how much the object resists acceleration. For example, if you push 2 objects under the same conditions with the same amount of force, the object with the lower mass will accelerate faster. Next is gravitational mass. Gravitational mass is measured by how much gravity an object exerts on other objects. It can also be the measurement of how much gravity an object experiences from another object.
Electrostatic is a form of electricity that is not transmitted through a current. Electrostatic is also known as static electricity. It is produced when two materials transfer electrons until one has an excess of positive or negative charge. Then the shock is the exchange of the electrons from the two materials.
Heat energy is the result of the movement of tiny particles called atoms. Most molecules or ions in solids, liquids and gases. Heat energy can be transferred from one object to another, and the transfer or flow due to the difference in temperature between the two objects, which is called heat.